In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Jotform link. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable URL you can send to anyone, post on your website, or drop into an email or chat. We'll keep it simple and make sure you know exactly where everything is inside Jotform. Start by opening your web browser and going to jotform.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account so you can access your forms. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard, often called My Forms. On the left-hand side, look for the sidebar with filters. Click All to make sure you're viewing every form in your account, including items in folders or different workspaces. This is helpful if you manage multiple forms and need a full list, not just the most recent ones. Find the form you want to share. If you have a long list, use the search bar at the top to type part of the form's name. When you see the right one, open it in the builder by choosing Edit Form. This takes you into the form builder where you can make changes if needed. Even if you're not editing content, you need to be here to access the publishing options. At the top of the form builder, locate and click Publish. This is where Jotform generates your public link and gives you sharing options. Think of the Publish tab as your hub for everything related to distributing your form. Inside the Publish area, you should land on Quick Share. If you're not already there, click Quick Share in the menu on the left. Quick Share is the fastest way to grab your link without adjusting advanced settings. You'll see a section labeled Share with Link showing your form's unique URL. Now, simply click Copy Link. Jotform will confirm that the link has been copied to your clipboard. From here, you can paste it anywhere you like, in an email to your team, a message to a client, or a social post. It's a good idea to open a new browser tab and test the link to make sure it loads the form the way your respondents will see it. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If your form is still in draft mode, that's fine. Jotform links work as soon as the form exists, and any updates you make will appear live. If you need a shorter or customized URL, or you want to control who can access the form, explore the options available on the same publish page. And if your screen looks a little different, don't worry, Jotform occasionally updates its layout, but the publish and quick share areas remain the place to grab your link. That's it. You've got your Jotform link ready to share.